Yeah, just quick one. Actually, okay, the people who are working on or people who want to leave is okay. People who can stay for 5 minutes can stay, no problem. Okay. So yeah, anyone wants to leave, please, quick.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's hear from the people who did first time. Bhagyesh, how was your experience of this kind of breakout room session? Are you there, Bhagyesh? Yes.
Sir, it was actually a nice experience. It was quite learning experience where I came across a lot of other people's viewpoints, which actually gave me
Mm-hmm.
which actually gave me a lot of ways to look into a thing by which people look. Like suppose one of my friend told me what he could do if he would be the richest person. So I actually thought about helping people and then investing the money and then multiplying it. But like 2-3 people actually had very good ideas about improving current things.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually found it very helpful.
Sure, sure. Okay, Alia, how was? What did you understand? I mean, how was the session for you? This kind of
So
session.
it was a very nice session for me. I got some new experience from them and I got some new ideas from them. Actually, getting into something is something new is also getting into some ideas also from new
Mm-hmm.
person, from anyone. So these all were the students which connected me was all new for me. They were all
Okay.
new from me, and it was nice talking to them, communicating to them, getting to know about their views regarding this, and this all gave me a nice idea and all regarding this richest person and all. So it was very grateful for this. So
Okay.
I liked very
Sure.
much.
Jagriti, how was ice breaking with strangers for you?
Yeah, it was really nice. Like, I don't talk to strangers much, but yeah, it was really nice. And like knowing about each and everyone's point of view is something one should know. So
Mm-hmm.
it was really nice for me.
Okay. Thank you. Atul sir, how was your experience? You joined first time today. You heard a lot of people. Are you there? Okay, maybe he's not. Fahad, Fahad, how was your experience? Are you there? Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Priyanka, let's hear quickly from you.
Hello.
Yes. How was this ice breaking with strangers for you today?
Today, uh, it's good. First my strangers is I use and that's I introduce myself and and say about topic and discuss about topic. After that, ma'am is also for a stranger for me, and
Mhm.
they ask they ask that what's motivate you about you and say about yourself in 5 lines, and what is your fears, uh, and how to solve your fear and how to treat it with fear, like that. So session is very good.
Mhm. Okay. Sure. So we'll end the session now. I think. Okay. So there was some people had some questions regarding this. I mean, some people are doing a live project. If you have any question, you can stay for a minute. Everyone else can leave. Thank you very much. So anyone has question? I think Anisha, you are there. Aritra, who else was there? In the live project. Shubhajit also, right? Yeah.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
we are
Please.
supposed to make 50 call per day, but sir, the thing is that 50 call per day is a bit too much for hours because it is taking a lot of time. Can we reduce it?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Can you
can you
reduce
make
it?
it 20? Or
Okay, so you can always tell how many you can do, and then we'll see how things can be changed. Okay, that 50 is a guideline,
No,
not a
actually, 50 call
gunpoint
is
thing.
way too much for us.
Okay, so
Actually,
how
yes,
many you can do? You can tell.
So one more question, not regarding to the
Yes.
calls, like they are asking us like how to do, how to enroll, and I am like, I don't know, I'm just an intern working over here. If you want to say any problem, you can
Yeah,
just
yeah. So you can always note down those questions. So we can also brief you if there are some common questions or somebody needs special attention.
and
Sir,
there was
Okay.
all
sir, I
You
have.
say you say I'll
Yes,
get
sir.
back to you.
I said
Easy,
that
easy teaching.
I will
Yes, Prapti.
let you soon. Sir, I will let you know soon. Sir, I have.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
and
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we'll get back to you is the easiest answer. Even in any quiz and all or any time, if let's say a small kid asks you a question and you don't know the answer, the best answer is I'll get back to you later.
Yes, sir.
and
Okay.
so one more
Yeah.
thing is that few of them are asking like from where are you getting our number, and I'm saying like
No, no, you say you are
I'm
from the
from
Tata
that,
Social
yeah,
Enterprise
and
team
I'm
only.
saying that, and they're like, okay, then they're just keeping the call without any.
No, no, see, these things will happen because there are a lot of spam calls happening these days. So, if they say hang up, just write hang up, hang up,
sir,
kind of. See, a lot of people make the ID, just for fun also, and then don't want to do anything. You might be going into a lot of classes and not with the intention of doing class, but because you had to just do it because of attendance sake or marks completion, degree completion sake, right? There are a lot of boring activities people do
Yes,
just to
sir.
realize
And
that. Mhm.
so many numbers
Learn
are.
this. Learn to get thrashed on
Yes.
phone.
So that's why I was making call from my
Sir,
mother's phone.
So it
Yeah,
doesn't matter
exactly.
which one.
Because my number
Yeah.
is connected to number of other documents and everything. I was like, Mom, apna
So
phone.
I think that nothing will like that will happen. It's
If
just
they
that
report,
see people will
if
hang
they
up if they don't if they're not interested or they're not like that. They might be busy also at times. So what we can do later is they can be assigned to somebody else
sir, I have a
instead of person who hanged
question,
up.
sir.
Yes, Alia.
Sir, I have a question
Yes.
that I am new. I joined today only. So, sir,
Mhm.
just wanted to know that what it is up to. Because from my college, I got to know that just
You
join
attended
this.
today's session, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, in one line, it's
Hmm.
learning ice breaking with strangers. Do you have a subject
Yeah.
like that in your college? How to ice break with
No.
strangers?
No.
How will you learn?
Hmm.
So it's all like a gym exercise. Okay. So this
Okay.
this is a gym of strangers.
So, sir, actually, basically, it will go on like this ice breaking to strangers, and this, sir,
Topic
it's
discussion,
basic
basically
topic discussion.
expressing
And
yourself.
sir, it is like we have also to do phone calls and all.
No, no, no. That was an optional thing given to some people
Hmm.
as a live
Okay.
project. It's not that they have to
Oh,
do it mandatory. Whoever opted for it is doing it.
okay. So, sir, it is not a kind of internship.
This one is so for you. It's more of a training.
Hmm.
For others, so it's also for our interns. Also, we give the same training.
Hmm.
So that they are. So basically, it's a preparation for a internship. You can say internship training. Then you
Okay.
can obviously choose if you want to go for the internship or not.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
nothing is on gunpoint.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
anyone else having any question, please?
sir, when do we have to
Uh,
submit our
okay,
recordings?
yes.
Yes, sir.
No, in the group only. See, that recordings are basically cross training with each other. So when you put your recording in the group, everyone else can also listen, right?
Sir,
And
in the new group, IIM.
yeah, yeah, submit
Okay.
there only.
So
The
when?
problem is that from my phone, there is no such recording option.
Oh no, it's not an option. I think you have to download an app. So maybe you can just write this question in the group, and somebody can tell you which apps are good for this.
Sir, all the 50 recordings we have to give or 2, 3 recordings?
Yeah, yeah. Just give some, like because every day if you're
Yes,
doing
sir.
30-40
Some
calls, don't
unique
give all.
recordings, which like uncommon ones.
Yeah, some unique recording, I don't know, some complaint or some like something to learn from a recording. You know, that like somebody getting too much hyper. Yeah.
Yes.
So any recording, you know, which has some learning or some kind of like a use good recordings also as a quality, as a training program, you can say. You know, like you can train each other that way, right?
When do we submit?
No, just submit as soon as you finish or by the end of the day. It's flexible. There's no rule like
After
that.
7 days.
No. The recordings you mean? Recordings? No. Do it every day basis. So every day you have to update, right? Kind of how
3 to
much you have
4
done.
recording per day.
Yeah, something like that. I mean, which
Okay.
the recordings that you think are, let's say, you know, some good recordings and some bad recordings, or some good experience, some bad experience you had. Don't send everything. Don't become like Hanuman. Send the Sanjuni only. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
If any question, we can obviously have a phone
And
call.
sir, can you please reduce the number of calls per day?
Yes,
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
sir.
So just do
Because we have
whatever
our
you can.
college, and after
Just
that,
after, you know, in your group, you can say how many you could do every day. Then we'll see
Okay.
how much can be done.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
You
you.
can do some kind of average number for all.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay then.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.